bought this house in 2000. For many, many years, it was a basement that was renovated probably in the 1980s, and we knew we had to do something about it. So we started calling around. Then one day, I was just driving in my car down the QEW, and I saw a truck go by. And it said Level Up Basements with all the phone number on it. And I said, I think this is a sign. It was excellent from the beginning in terms of getting it started.
We'd had lots of people come in to walk through the basement with us, talk about pricing, talking about costs, and then they go away for a month before they get a price. When Michael came here, it was so refreshing.
Unbelievably professional in terms of his scheduling. He gave us a schedule, a timeline, who was coming when.
He's like a taskmaster, right? He goes, these are the dates, this is what's gonna happen, and that's exactly what happened.
All his workers, the painters, the plumbers, the drywallers, they were all fantastic.
Yeah,
window
guy.
They were all very, very good at what they did.
So clean too. So every time, the young guy that used to come in the morning, and he lays all the boards and everything upstairs so nothing gets damaged.
That feature wall there, Michael's guy made that. Did that by hand.
I
That's
showed him
custom
a
made.
picture. I showed them a picture of what I liked, and then I had it. I didn't think they could do it. I'll just go to the company that I saw this picture, and I'll do this. And he goes, no, I have some people that will do that. And the guys came and put this together, and I thought, wow, and it's fantastic.
Level Up, Michael, and all of Michael's contractors and subcontractors really exceeded our expectations. The work was at a very high level from a craftsman standpoint. Again, on time. The whole experience was fantastic.